Hi, guys. Welcome to the Tutor Learning Center. This is JD Tutor, and I'm here to teach you part 2 of Chapter 6, Example 2 from the packets from Live Oak High School. My video cut out on me on part 1, so there's a part 2. So anyway, we're going to finish the problem here on part 2, Example 2. So let's go back, and we were doing Chapter 6. Y equals mx plus b. This is the second half to that example two. Example two. Okay, so in part 1, which there wasn't supposed to be a part 1, but part 1 we got to the graph part, but we didn't get to the substitution part. So in example 2, there's going to be a substitution part. So let's go back to those problems from before in part 1. And we had 2x plus y equals 3, and x plus 1 equals y. And we got the coordinates 2, -1, so 2 and -1 from the last time, and that was our x and our y coordinates. When the two bottom parts intersected together, they intersected on 2, -1. Right, so now let's substitute those two in from our ordered pairs. These are our ordered pairs. Right, and let's see here. We're going to do substitute. All right, the x, the 2 for the x, right here, plus the -1 for the y. Okay, equals 3. And let's come on over here too. We'll do this. 2, we really don't need those parentheses, but just to kind of give you the idea. And plus -1 equals 1. Okay, good. All right, now we do our multiplication, which is 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4. Positive times a negative is a negative, excuse me, -1 equals 3. Okay. And then 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 equals 3. Is this true or false? This is true. Okay. 3 on this side does equal 3 on that side. Now, just a quick review, guys. Some of my students still have a little trouble with this. A positive times a positive equals a positive. A negative times a negative equals a negative. And a positive or negative times a positive or negative equals, this equals a positive, that equals a negative. So going back to this, positive times positive equals a positive, negative times negative equals a positive, and a positive times a negative equals a negative. Sorry, guys, it's really late at night here, and I've been tutoring all day long, so getting kind of sleepy. All right, so let's finish this one. So we can go off of this chart if you're having problems, okay? So let's do 2 plus, you have a positive times a negative equals a negative. Okay, so -1 equals 1, 1 equals 1. Is this true? This is true. 1 on this side does equal 1 on that side, so that is true. And they are at the same point. They go to the same point. So that's one solution. All right, guys, so let's do a couple more sample problems that go with this lesson. They come with this packet. All right, and I saw more than one student with the same example. So let's see. They have a, looks like a 3. Oh, they're using, here. They are using 1 and -3. So let's plug in. Here's our x, here's our y. X always comes first. All right, guys. Let's see. Let's do 3x plus 2y equals -3. Okay, and also let's do 1 minus 3y equals -6. Okay, or x, sorry. Okay, so let's see here. We're going to plug everything in. 3 and 1 plus 2n minus 3 equals negative 3. So we plugged in the 1, we plugged in the 3 for x and y, and so 3 and a positive times a negative is a negative. 2 times 3 is 6 equals minus 3. So the bigger number is minus 6. So watch out for this minus on there. So minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 equals minus 3. Oops. Okay, and is that true or false? Minus 3 is on this side, minus 3 is on that side, minus 3 equals minus 3, that is true. Okay, now let's go to this one. Plug in the 1 over here. 1. Plug in the minus 3 over here. Okay, equals minus 6. All right. Let's see. Actually, oh yeah, okay. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. There was actually, I forgot the 3 here. Okay, so bring your 3 down. So 1 plugged in for x, bring your minus 3 down, negative 3, and substitute negative 3 for y equals a negative 6. All right, so now 1, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9 equals negative 6. 1 plus 9 is 10 equals negative 6. 10 does not, and that's the sign for does not. 10 does not equal negative 6, which is false. This problem's false. All right, guys, and now we are finished. Oops, I just dropped my paper. Okay, now we are finished with example 2. All right, guys, well, have a good night, and thank you for tuning into the Tutor Learning Center. Have a great day.